What's up YouTube, Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm finding new items down this aisle. I just found some brand new baby onesies and I just found some super cute girl socks. We have unicorns. Oh, look at these. Clouds. Now these are longer socks. They're calling them knee highs. So these would be perfect for like a wintertime birthday, or if you're already buying stocking stuffers and saving them. These socks, these longer ones, would be perfect for putting in a stocking. I'm already starting my stocking stuffer stash. It takes some months to get really good items. Hi.
What's your YouTube?
Bunny Birdy Gator.
Okay.
Yeah, will you follow me?
Yeah.
And I'm on TikTok too.
Okay, what's your TikTok? Is it
Same, Bunny Birdy Gator.
Alright.
Yeah, what's your name?
I'm Jace.
Jace, Mimi.
Me.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Bye.
Bye, hun. We also have some cute headbands this week, some brand new barrettes, some more headbands, and the goodie items are still here. The velvets are still here, the satins are still here, the jelly spirals are still here. These ones are new this week. These little ones. These ones. These are definitely new, the little claw clips. Claw clips. Let's turn around and look at this side. Last week I was just showing all the matches and you guys were all saying that you bet the strawberries and cream smells really nice. The strawberries and cream actually does smell really nice. And then we also have this Sun Ripened Strawberry by Suave that's been around for a really long time. I know so many people love the strawberry. Okay, do we have anything else over here? Because I love to find new things for you guys. Oh, these are new this week. The Almond and Shea Butter Deep Conditioning Masks by Suave Professionals. And then Hask is a really great brand too. Birdy loves Hask. All of our soaps. The men's Nouvelle body lotion is still here, 16.9 ounces. And these are still here too. The Bodycology kids little sculpting sets. Brand new. Well, it's been out for about 3 weeks. The Watermelon and Sweet Mint body oil. Of course, by Bolero. For some reason, I feel like this Suavitel is new. I mean, I know Field Flowers has been around, but I don't know. Maybe they changed something about the packaging. All of the Suavitels are amazing. Just like all the Fabulosos are amazing. They all smell so good. I love them. Okay, so here we are on the next aisle. Liquid Skin, self-adherent wrap. The Vicks 44 is still here. Those are the lozenges. The little repair kits are back. Okay. Time to turn around. The cuticle trimmers. All of these little washcloths. I'm trying to figure out which one I should get. I definitely want to get one. I have a request to get one for TikTok and do it on the wax melt burner. Okay, you guys, are we gonna find any new makeup this week? What do you think? Are we gonna find any name brand makeup? Let's see. The Auto eyeliner. This is by LA Colors in black. These are still here. They almost look like concealer though. This is liquid catsuit.
No.
And then this is the only location that I've ever seen these at. They're still here. Those go for like $12 everywhere else. We have more of the cat suits here. Even more. The Ioni lash glue, everyone says is really good. These are still here. The color corrector. I got one for Birdy in a different shade. She said she loves it so much. You guys know these go for like $12. I'm sure I mentioned it in another one of my Dollar Tree videos, but these go for like $12 at Ulta. My store only has this one shade remaining. I feel like even when they were fully stocked, they only had like 3 or 4 shades. The 2-pack of Maybelline. Oh, these are new. They look a little old though. Where? Maybe we'll find something new over here. I'm really not seeing a lot of new makeup this week. The razors. I'm probably gonna take you guys to Dollaree because they always have lots of new items. It just depends on if I'm there when they've stocked or not. Powder Fresh deodorant. We have Old Spice, Lady Speed Stick. We can always find name brands here. I think I'm gonna end here on this one, you guys. Kind of disappointing. I really didn't find that many items over in the makeup area like usual, but that's okay. That's how it is sometimes. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.